Leo Tolstoy. He used to tell a very beautiful story. Once a man he approached in a remote village, and there he managed 30,000 acres of land in 1,000 ruble. Ruble is the currency of Russia. And he told all these things to his friend. That friend was very excited. He told, you got in 1,000 ruble, I also want that. So the next day he went, he approached to that villagers. He also gave 1,000 ruble to them. Then that villagers asked, what do you want? He said, I want land. So they told, okay, you come tomorrow. Whatever land you will cover, we will give you that much land. What? I can't understand. Whatever land you cover. Okay, don't worry. You come tomorrow. We will explain you everything. So that man, he was too much excited. He did not sleep whole night. And next day he approached in front of the villagers. Villagers were waiting for him. So that villagers, they told that man, see, you do one thing. Take this shovel in your hand and you walk. As much land you want, you go. You cover it. And when you will return back, just dig the land so that there will be a symbol that this much of land you have covered, so we will give you. But we have one condition. The condition is that you have to return back to the same place till sunset. Now that man, he took some slices of bread and water and he started walking. He was walking and walking. Then he thought, I should run now. So he started running faster and faster. And suddenly he saw it was 4 o'clock. Oh my God, I have to return back to the same place and I'm too far now. He got disturbed and now he turned back and very fastly he was returning back. He crossed one hill, second hill. Now he crossed the last hill. And when he crossed the last hill, he just prostrated before that villagers. Prostrated means he fell down. His heart was hammering. His legs got weak. Mouth was purching. Lips were prilling. And blood came out of his mouth. People went, their villagers, they went close to him, took the shovel from his hand, and they saw he was no more. Now what did they do? They dug the trench 6 feet by 3 feet and buried. So Leo Tolstoy, he says, how much land a man needs. एक इंसान को अपने लिए कितनी बड़ी जमीन चाहिए. We should remember always this story. Because again and again, we are trapping ourselves in these desires. और मिल जाए, और मिल जाए, और मिल जाए. ये कामनाएं जो हमारी बुद्धि को बर्बाद कर रही हैं, हमारे चिंतन को बर्बाद कर रही हैं, कि हम भूल जा रहे हैं कि मनुष्य का वास्तविक लक्ष्य क्या है. ये मनुष्य शरीर मिला क्यों है? इसीलिए मृत्यु से पहले हम सबको सावधान होना है। सावधानी से जीवन यापन करते हुए अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन कीजिए, लेकिन उन कर्तव्यों को करने में इतने मत डूब जाइए कि वास्तविक कर्तव्य भूल जाएं।